Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify B2B settings for bulk dropshipping step by step clearly. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section found in the lower left corner. Select users and permissions from the settings menu. Click on add staff to grant access to new users. Enter the email address of the staff member you wish to authorize for B2B settings. Assign the appropriate permissions by selecting Full Permissions. Ensure that Apps section is checked for the necessary access. Click on Send Invite to notify the staff member. Log in to the invited staff account to complete the setup. Once logged in, navigate back to the Settings menu. Select Apps and Sales Channels. Locate the B2B app relevant for your bulk dropshipping needs. Install the selected app by clicking on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure the app. Connect the app to your product catalog for synchronization. Set up pricing tiers for B2B customers based on their buying volume. Review the inventory settings to manage stock levels efficiently. Adjust shipping options specifically for bulk dropshipping. Once completed, double-check the configurations for accuracy. Finally, test the setup by processing a sample order to ensure everything functions correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.